Hello everyone, this is Dr. K and today I'm gonna show you how to add any font to your Photoshop. Okay, then let's get started. Open your browser and search BA fonts. This will open such kind of interference. I'm gonna download right now Hello Honey. Okay, and we'll show you how to add this to the Photoshop. Download this. Open this and extract it. Now click install. This font is added to your system and automatically added to the Photoshop. Okay, then let's check it. What's his name? Hello Honey. Open your Photoshop. I'm gonna open this and we'll change the font of Sun to the font I have downloaded, Hello Honey. Okay, what I'm gonna do, search Hello Honey. This is Hello Honey. Hope you guys love this, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dr. K. Thank you.